Okay, Noah, focus. Our project's due in a week and we need to nail this question. Why do we age and can we stop it? No more Googling cat memes.
Excuse me, those were scientific cat memes. Cats age too, you know? Ever seen a grumpy old tabby? Pure research gold.
Sure, Dr. Whiskers, let's start with the basics. Why do we age? Like, why can't we just stay young and fabulous forever?
Fabulous? Speak for yourself. I'm already peaking. But seriously, isn't aging just wear and tear? Like, our bodies are cars, and after a few decades, we're rattling jalopies.
Not bad, but it's more than that. Aging's this whole biological conspiracy. One big culprit? Cellular senescence. Our cells get old, stop dividing, and turn into these zombie cells that cause trouble.
Zombie cells? Are they coming for our brains?
Not quite, but they're sneaky. They hang out spewing inflammation like a toxic ex texting at 2 a.m. That messes up your tissues, makes you creaky, wrinkly, all that fun stuff.
So my future arthritis is just a zombie cell party I wasn't invited to? Rude. Why don't our bodies just kick them out?
They try. Our immune system's supposed to clean them up, but it gets lazy with age. Like, imagine your immune cells as overworked janitors. By your 70s, they're just napping on the job.
Okay, I'm picturing tiny janitors with brooms, snoring in my veins. So, senescence is one piece. What else makes us age? Don't say wrinkles. I'm not ready for that truth.
Oh, you're so ready. Next up, DNA damage. Every day, our DNA gets zapped by stuff like UV rays, pollution, even our own metabolism. It's like our genes are in a constant dodgeball game with free radicals.
Free radicals? Sounds like a punk band. Are they as dangerous as they sound?
Worse, they're rogue molecules that smash into your DNA, causing tiny breaks. Our cells try to fix it, but it's like patching a tire with duct tape. Eventually, errors pile up. That's when you get malfunctioning cells, or worse, cancer.
Yikes. So my DNA is basically a scratched-up vinyl record? No wonder my grandma forgets where she parked her car.
Kinda. And here's another kicker, telomeres. They're like the plastic tips on your shoelaces, but for chromosomes. Every time your cells divide, telomeres get shorter. Too short? Boom! Cells done dividing.
So telomeres are my biological snooze button? Hit it too many times, and I'm toast?
Exactly. Short telomeres tell your cells, retire now. Some animals, like lobsters, have crazy telomere repairing powers, so they age super slowly.
Lobsters? I'm jealous of a crustacean? That's a new low. Why don't we have that superpower?
Blame evolution. It's like, congrats humans, you made babies. Now, peace out. Nature doesn't care if we're spry at 90. It's all about passing genes, not passing yoga class.
Harsh. So aging's just evolution's way of saying, you're fired? That's cold, Lila.
Ice cold. There's this theory, antagonistic pleiotropy. Fancy name, but it means some traits that help us when we're young, like fast cell growth, screw us over later. It's a cosmic prank.
A prank? Evolution's out here trolling us? Okay, fine, but can we troll it back? Like, can we stop aging? I'm not ready to be a raisin.
Not a raisin yet, Noah. Slowing aging is totally on the table. First up, senolytics. They're drugs that hunt down zombie cells and, pow, wipe them out. In mice, they've made old rodents scamper like teenagers.
Scampering mice? I'm sold. So, I just take a senolytic smoothie and I'm forever 19?
Dream on. Human trials are happening, but it's early days. They've tested stuff like dasatinib and quercetin. Sounds like a wizard spell, right? It kinda works, but we don't know the long-term effects. Plus, zombies aren't the only problem.
More problems? Lay it on me. What else is aging my flawless complexion?
Oh, your flawless complexion's got a lot to worry about. There's mitochondrial dysfunction, your cells' batteries start leaking, then protein misfolding, which is like your body's origami going wrong, causing clumps like in Alzheimer's. And don't get me started on epigenetic drift.
Epigenetic? What now? Sounds like a sci-fi villain.
It's not that evil. Epigenetics? is like the software for your DNA. It tells genes when to turn on or off. As we age, that software gets glitchy, so genes misfire. It's like your body's running Windows 95 by age 80.
Windows 95?
We're trying. For mitochondria, there's NAD plus boosters, like NMN. They're like Red Bull for your cells. In mice, they've boosted energy, fixed metabolism, even made fur shinier. Humans? We're seeing small wins like better blood sugar, but it's not eternal youth yet.
Shiny fur? I could use that. But seriously, are these boosters legit or just TikTok snake oil?
Some are legit, but the supplement world's a jungle. Quality varies and too much NAD plus might mess with you. Always check with a doctor. Oh, and fasting. Cutting calories or skipping meals can mimic some of those benefits. It revs up autophagy.
Autophagy? Is that a car part or a spell from Harry Potter?
Neither. It's your cell's recycling program. Fasting or exercise kicks it into gear, cleaning out junk like damaged proteins. It's like Marie Kondo for your insides. Sparking cellular joy.
Okay, I'm condoing my cells starting tomorrow. What else? Any high-tech stuff?
CRISPR's wild, but we're not snipping away aging yet. It's fixed stuff like progeria, a rare aging disease in mice. For normal aging, we're targeting genes linked to diseases like heart problems. But one wrong cut could cause cancer.
Cancer? So, I could be young forever and glow in the dark? Hard pass. What about telomeres? Can we stretch those shoelaces?
We can, kinda. Telomerase therapy makes telomeres longer. Mice loved it, lived longer, healthier. But humans? Long telomeres can make cancer cells too happy. It's like giving a villain an energy drink. Scientists are working on safer ways, though.
Ugh, cancer's the ultimate buzzkill. Okay, no CRISPR, no telomere juice. What about lifestyle? Can I just yoga my way to 120?
Yoga helps, but it's not that powerful. Exercise, especially sweaty, intense stuff, keeps your mitochondria humming and lowers inflammation. Sleep's huge too. Skimp on it, and your DNA repair crew goes on strike.
Sleep? I'm a pro at that. What about food? Is there an anti-aging pizza I don't know about?
No pizza, sorry. But a Mediterranean diet, veggies, fish, olive oil, feeds your gut microbiome, which fights inflammation. Oh, and stress less. Cortisol from stress is like kryptonite for your cells.
Stress less? Have you met our biology teacher? That's impossible. Okay, so exercise, sleep, veggies, chill vibes. Got it. But what's the wildest anti-aging idea out there? Like science fiction stuff?
Oh, you'll love this. Young blood transfusions. Scientists took blood from young mice and gave it to old ones. The old mice got perkier. Better memory, more energy. It's not just vampires anymore.
Vampire mice? That's creepy and awesome. Are we doing this for humans?
Kinda. There's research on plasma proteins like GDF11 that might mimic young blood's effects, but it's super early.
Good, because I'm not volunteering. Okay, Lila, big question. How close are we to actually slowing aging? Like, will we live to 150?
Not 150 probably, but 100 healthier? Maybe. Senolytics, NAD+, lifestyle tweaks, they're stacking up. The goal's health span, not just lifespan. Living longer's cool, but living better. No wheelchairs, sharp mind, that's the dream.
Health span. I like that. So, I won't be a raisin, and I'll remember my Wi-Fi password at 90?
That's the plan, but it's a team effort. Science, lifestyle, maybe a little luck. Oh, and no more cat memes. We've got a project to ace.
Fine. But if we get an A, I'm celebrating with an anti-aging pizza. Topped with kale, I guess.
Deal. Now let's write this thing before we age another decade.